Hello, everyone, and today we're going to discuss what key questions you should ask a PI before accepting a position. I'm also going to say that these three things you look for in a PI also apply to regular jobs. So let's get into it. First of all, postdoc is a training mechanism with one very specific purpose, and that is to produce papers and set you up for your next role. Now, there are three key elements which determine your success. Number one, a well-defined research agenda. Number two, active sponsorship from your PI, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in detail in another video. And then finally, a clear placement pathway for when you are finished with your postdoc. Now, I mentioned in the Substack article a couple of weeks ago that there are three levels of support when it comes to employment: supervisor, mentor, and sponsor. And as I mentioned before, I'm going to talk in the next video about more in details of what those three positions mean. But for this video, let's just get to those 5 questions. Number one, ask your PI, can they describe a typical work week of collaboration, what that looks like between you and other postdocs? And what I can tell you is that regular meetings are a must. Number two, have any of your previous postdocs transitioned into roles that align with their original goals, and what role did you play in that process? Goal alignment is everything. Number three, what does the research agenda for this role look like, and how much input would I have in shaping it? Again, answers to these questions will give you big clues about whether or not you're dealing with a supervisor, a mentor, or a sponsor type PI. Number four, would you be comfortable introducing me to colleagues at other institutions or recommending me for conferences, panels, or committees during my time here? Again, we're signaling what role this PI is going to play. And then lastly, what's your vision for where postdocs who complete this appointment should be positioned when they leave, and how actively do you support that outcome? The answer to that question will definitely tell you whether you're dealing with a supervisor, a mentor, or a sponsor. More importantly, it will give you clues about how much work you're going to need to put in to get your goals achieved. So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to look out for the next one where I define what makes a PI fall into the category of supervisor, mentor, and sponsor.